Hello everyone. Today we solve the questions paper of AIMS Bhopal 2016. As you know that AIMS include 10 to 20 percentage of questions from the previous paper. Okay. So let's solve this AIMS Bhopal 2016 question paper. Our first question is find the word which is the best to express the meaning of keyword, that is manure. So here our right answer is manure. It is a synonym of a move. Okay, it is a series of moves. Okay, so here D is the correct option. Next question, the most widely used OS for a mobile phones developed by a Google is, so here our right answer is Android. Okay, A is the correct option. Next question, find the meaning of the underlined idiom. So here I know all the ins and outs of this job. So here underline is in ins and outs. So here the meaning of ins and out means the details of the particular job. So here our right answer is B, details. Okay. Next question, ALU in the computer system stand for, so here our right answer is ALU means the arithmetic and logic unit. Okay, this is the correct option. Next question, if the clock of Delhi display 1 p.m. then at the same time clock of Dubai will display, so here our correct option is 11:30 a.m. Okay, B is the correct option. Next question, find one word for the given group of the world flesh eating animal. So here our right answer is flesh eating animals is called carnivore. Okay, so D is the correct option. Next question, how many stores will be opened up during the 2016 to 17 under the Prime Minister Jan Aushadhi Yojana as per Union Budget? So here our correct option is 3000. Okay, B is the correct option. Next question, find the opposite of a keyword, that is camouflage. So here our right answer is camouflage. Opposite of the keyword of the camouflage is a divulge. Okay, this is the correct answer. Next question, Indira Awas Yojana is a meant for a which population? So here our right answer is it is for a rural population. C is the correct answer. Next question, Dumhal dance is a performed in Jammu Kashmir. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next question, the normal composition of the oxygen in the environment is, so here our right answer is 20.93%. Okay, A is the correct option. Next question, who created the history by winning the record breaking 23rd gold medal of Olympic history at Rio Olympics 2016? So here our right answer is Michael Phelps. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question, MS-DOS is an operating system that has a, so here our right answer is command line interference. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next question, Mozilla Firefox is a, it is a type of internet browser. Okay, it is Mozilla Firefox is a type of internet browser. So B is the correct answer. Next question, green leafy vegetables are rich in iron content. Okay, so B is the right answer. Next question, in the following questions find the word which means the same as a given group of word, that is a period of 1000, it is called millennium. Okay, period of 1000 years it is called millennium. Then period of 100 years it is called century, and the period of 10 year it is called decade. Okay. Next question, dengue fever is caused by the bite of which mosquito? So here our right answer is it is due to the bite of Aedes aegypti mosquito. So B is the correct answer. Okay, female Anopheles is responsible for transmitted the malaria. Okay, and Aedes aegypti is responsible to transmitted the dengue fever. Okay. Next question, who is the elected as the new chief minister of Gujarat in August 2016? So here our right answer is Vijay Rupani. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question, chemical coagulant used to treat raw river water is, so here our right answer is albumin sulfate is a use to treat the raw river water. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the correct sequence of the smallest to largest unit of the storage byte? Okay, so here our right answer is A. Okay, kilo, then mega, then giga, then tera and peta. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next question. Anxiety caused by. So here our right answer is anxiety. It is caused by the subjective perceived threat. Okay, B is the correct answer. Next question. Exchange of a gases takes place in the which part of the body? So here our right answer is in the lungs. Okay, mainly in the alveoli. Alveoli is responsible for the gas exchange. Okay. Next question. Telling the truth is the practice of a which ethical principle? So here our right answer is veracity. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the purpose of a hand washing? So hand washing is a help to prevent the cross infection. So A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. The power which is exercised because of the appointment to the higher position is a referred as a. So here our right answer is it is referred as an exclusive power. B is the correct answer. Next question. The color used to tagging the dead body is. So here our right answer is black color is a use to tagging the dead body. Okay. Next question. Which of the following foodstuff is a good source of protein? So here our right answer is milk and milk products are the good source for a protein. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next question. The pacemaker of the heart is. So here SA node, sinoatrial node. It is known as pacemaker of the heart. So B is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is not a feature of a health education? So here our right answer is aims at an impulsive action. It is not a feature of health educations. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next question. Who is the revered as a founder of a modern nursing? So here our right answer is Florence Nightingale. It is called as a founder of a modern nursing. Okay. Next question. The group of people organized for a particular purpose is known as. It is known as association. Okay. D is the correct answer. Next question. The neural tube defect among the newborn can be prevented by providing folic acid to the mother in a first trimester. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question. Principle of effective leadership is the least likely to involve. So here our right answer is accountability is delegated to a member of team. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question. Position while performing the mouse care. So here our right answer is we should provide the sideline position while performing the mouse care because to prevent the aspiration of a fluid contents. Okay, B is the correct answer. Next question. The number of pulse beats per minute is known as. So it is known as rate. Okay, B is the correct answer. Next question. Absence of a breathing is known as. So it is known as apnea. Okay. Here bradypnea means decrease the respiratory rate below 10 breaths per minute. Okay. Then eupnea means the normal respiration pattern. Okay. And the tachypnea means increase the respiratory rate above the 20 breaths per minute. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following statement is not true? So here our right answer is family is a group of persons who are related to each other by religion. This statement are wrong. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Next question. The sign of severe dehydration among the infants are. So here our right answer is drowsiness, depressed frontal and a decreased skin turgor are the sign of severe dehydration in an infant. So A is the correct answer. Next question. What name the Freud gave to his model to development which comprise ego and superego? So here our right answer is Sigmund Freud developed the structural model which include the ego and superego. Okay, id is based on a pleasurable principle. The ego is based on a reality principle and the superego is based on a perfectional principle, okay, which is developed by the Sigmund Freud, and it is known as structural model. Next question, which of the following is not a characteristic of a social group? So here our right answer is reciprocal relationship. It is not a characteristic of a social group, okay. Next question, the nurse acts as an advocate when she does one of the following. So here our right answer is, if the nurse is asked the relatives to give their consent instead of patient, then we assume that the nurse perform a role of advocate, okay. So C is the right answer. Next question, which of the following is not a method of patient assignment? So here our right answer is duty roster method. It is not a type of patient's assignment, okay. Team nursing, then patient assignment, and a functional method are a method of patient assignment, okay. So here our right answer is A, okay. Next question, the strategy adapt to ensure a quality nursing care by a statutory body. It is licensure and registration, okay. D is the correct answer. Next question, what does the society exclude? So here our right answer is time boundless, okay. A is the correct answer. Next question, when you come across a person lying unresponsive on the road, your first action should be to, so here our right answer is we should call the ambulance and the start CPR, okay. So C is the right answer. Next question, helper cell belongs to T lymphocyte, or we can say T cell, okay. So D is the correct answer. Next question, man is a social animal. Who said this? Here Aristotle said that the man is a social animal, okay. So D is the right answer. Next question, duration of the third stage of labor is, here our right answer is 30 to 45 minutes, okay. If third stage taken more than 30 minutes, then we can say the retained placenta, okay. Next question, which of the following glands secrete hormones to maintain the normal metabolic rate of the body? So here our right answer is thyroid gland secrete the hormones which help to maintain the normal metabolic rate, okay. Next question, what are the trained in a psychiatric nursing? So here our right answer is custodial care, okay. So B is the right answer. Next question, the best method for assessing the respiration in a non-responsive person is, so here our right answer is look, listen and feel, okay. C is the right answer. Next question, what are the not a misconception related to mental health? So here our right answer is, it is possible to prevent the mental health illness. This not include in a misconception related to mental health, okay. So A is the right answer. Next question, the umbilical cord contain, so here our right answer is umbilical cord contain 2 artery and 1 vein. So B is the correct option. Next question, validity of a tool refers to, here our right answer is accuracy, okay. A is the right answer. Next question, what is the normal blood cholesterol level? Here our right answer is less than 200 milligram per deciliter, okay. D is the correct option. Next question, nursing professions can only be practiced after, so here our right answer is approval, okay. D is the right option. Next question, dissemination of a research can be done by a following method except, here our right answer is informal discussion, which is not included in a dissemination of a research, okay. Next question, which statutory body is responsible for ensuring the standard of a nursing education in India? Here our right answer is Indian Nursing Council, INC, okay. Next question, sample in a research is a preferred as, here our right answer is sample is a preferred as a representative of a population. A is the correct answer. Next question, if a person has an object implanted in his hand, the first aider must, here our right answer is we should immobilize the object using the sterile pad, okay. So D is the right answer. Next, While documenting the high pulse rate of the patient, the nurse must document as, so here our right answer is nurse must document as a tachycardia, okay, because tachycardia means high pulse rate above the 100 beats per minute, okay. Hyperpyrexia means increase the body temperature. Tachypnea means increase the respiratory rate, okay, and arrhythmia means irregular rhythm, okay. Next question. The definition of a health by WHO, World Health Organization, include all except, so here our right answer is reproductive, which is not a dimension of health, okay. So according to WHO, health is a complete state of physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being and not merely the absence of any disease, okay. So here our right answer is C. Next question. The ability of a human body to protect itself from the pathogen, it is known as immunity, okay. Next question. The first aid treatment of a choking is, so here our right answer is we should provide 5 sharp back blows between the shoulder blades, okay. So C is the right answer. Next question. Culture has importance for the group because, here our right answer is because it mark off one group from another, okay. So C is the right answer. Next question. Attributes of a good leader involves which of the following? So here our right answer is aware of a member's strength and a weakness. So B is the right answer. Next question. Skin is a part of which system in the body? So skin is a part of integumentary system. B is the correct answer. Next question. What immediate nursing intervention will you take in a case of blood reaction? Okay, so here first of all we have to stop the transfusion and then immediately monitor the vital signs and inform the doctor, okay. So here D is the right answer. Next, which of the following is the fourth cranial nerve? Here our right answer is trochlear, okay. There are mainly 12 cranial nerve, okay. Olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducens, facial, vestibulocochlear, glossopharyngeal, then vagus nerve, then hypoglossal and accessory, okay. So there are mainly 12 cranial nerve and fourth one is a trochlear. Next question. Daily requirement of a calorie for a human being. So here our right answer is 50 to 70% of total daily requirement. B is the correct option. Next question. A muscular pouch like sac that lies slightly to the left of abdomen to store the food temporarily is known as, it is known as stomach, okay. C is the correct option. Next question. Which is the unit of a care in a practice of a community health nursing? Here our right answer is family, okay. C is the correct answer. Next question. Displacement, substitution and projection are example of which of the following? So these are the example of defense mechanism, okay. A is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following are not approaches of a health education? Here our right answer is intensive approach. It is not an approach for a health education, okay. Next question. What is the hyperemesis gravidum? Here our right answer is excessive vomiting. D is the correct answer. Next question. Normal duration for an involution of a uterus is, so it is about 6 weeks, okay, or we can say 42 days. This is a normal time period for a uterus involution, okay. Next question. Which of the following is the element of a difference between the community and society? Here our right answer is definitive locality, okay. A is the correct answer. Next question. The tool used for a data collection are, here our right answer is questionnaires, interview schedule and the observation checklist are the tools used for a data collection, okay. C is the correct answer. Next question. An Anganwadi worker caters to what size of population? Here our right answer is 1000 population, okay. B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not an important element in a physical environment surrounding a job that can affect the motivation? Here our right answer is plant and animal in the environment which not affect the motivation. Okay. Next question, which of the following are inventory control method? Here our right answer is ABC analysis and weight analysis are a type of inventory control method. Okay. ABC, always better control. Okay. Then weight, vital, essential and desirable. Okay. HML. Okay. These are the type of inventory control method. Next question, which of the following technique is used in a psychotherapy? Your right answer is dream analysis is used in a psychotherapy. Okay. Next question, what is the true regarding H. pylori infection? Here our right answer is H. pylori. It is a type of bacteria which is responsible for a peptic ulcer. Okay. Next question, norms in a sociology indicate. Here our right answer is standardized generalization about the normally expected mode of behavior. Okay, so D is the right answer. Next question, which of the following factor leads to a growth of city? Here our right answer is industrialization. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question, what is the dose of vitamin A for an infant at a 9 months of age? Here our right answer is 1 lakh international unit. Okay, and after a 9 month we should provide the 2 lakh international unit at the interval of 6 months. Okay, till 5 year. Okay. Next question, the significant sign of pyloric stenosis is. So here our right answer is cardinal sign for a pyloric stenosis is a projectile vomiting. Next question, which of the following is a significant component of a pain assessment? Here our right answer is intensity. Okay. Next question, which of the following is a DNA virus? Here our right answer is hepatitis B is a DNA virus. Okay. Next question, which of the health education agency is at a national level? Here our right answer is Central Health Education Bureau. Okay. C is the right answer. Next question, what are the signs of shock? Here our right answer is cold, clammy skin, unconsciousness and a rapid pulse rate. Okay, so D is the right answer. Next question, the difference between the oral and axillary temperature is. Here our right answer is about 0.6 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next question, how many A and C antenatal visit on a minimum should be recommended for an ANC mother? Here our right answer is minimum 4 visit is recommended by a WHO. Okay. Next question, enuresis means. Here enuresis means the loss of control of a urine. Okay. Here C is the right answer. Next question, what is the approx total population of India as per provisional data 2011 census? Here our right answer is 121 crore. Okay. Next question, the thermoregulation center is located at. Here our right answer is hypothalamus. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next question, the major portion of a calcium is found in which part of body? Here our right answer is in a bone. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next question, Down syndrome among the newborn is due to. It is a type of chromosomal error. Okay. Next question, what are the professional ethics? Here our right answer is standard of a personal and business behavior, values and guiding principle are known as professional ethics. So A is the right answer. Next question, the nurse is assessing a patient abdomen. Which examination technique should be nurse assess first? Here our right answer is nurse first use the infection technique inspection. Okay. Next question, which one of the following helps to reduce the anxiety and post-operative pain? Here our right answer is pre-operative teaching are used to reduce the anxiety and post-operative pain. Next question, immediate first aid treatment for a dog bite is. Here our right answer is wash with a soap and water for 15 minutes. Okay, it is the immediate first aid treatment. Okay. Next question, secondary level of prevention of a disease include. So here it is include the early diagnosis and treatment. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question, How many calories are provided by 1 gram of protein? Here right answer is 4. Okay. Next question. Total number of decidual teeth in children are? Here right answer is total number of 20 teeth. Okay. Next question. Which safety measure will you take for a drowsy patient? Here we keep the side rails up. Okay. Next question. Cancer of cervix is caused by? It is caused by human papilloma virus. D is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Communication process include? So it include the communicator, message, channel, receiver and feedback. So C is the right answer. Next question. Exogamy is defined as? So it is defined as marriage outside the group. So B is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is the best answer to practice leadership? So here our right answer is transactional leadership. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Most common strain of E. coli giving the rise to traveler diarrhea. It is the enterotoxigenic. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. Illusion is a misinterpretation of real external stimuli. D is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is a measure of a central tendency? Here right answer is mean. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question. The ratio of a cardiac compression and a artificial breathing is? Here right answer is 30:2. Okay, 30 compression and 2 breathing. Next question. Which of the following are a fat soluble vitamin? Here our right answer is vitamin A, D, K and E. Okay, are the fat soluble vitamin. Vitamin B and C are the water soluble vitamin. Next question. Which of the following is not a type of communication? Here our right answer is message, which is not included in a communication type. Next question. The highest level of need in a Maslow hierarchy is? Here our right answer is self-actualization. Okay. Next question. Which is the not a responsibility of a head nurse, or we can say ward in charge? Here our right answer is to prepare the patient bill are not a responsibility of a head nurse. Next question. While performing the oral hygiene to the unconscious, which additional articles should be kept in a mouth care tray? Here our right answer is mouth gag. Okay. Next question. Which committee was set up to see the general condition of nerves? Here our right answer is high power committee. Okay. So here we finished the 120 MCQs of AIIMS Bhopal 2016. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding questions, then feel free to ask in a comment box. Thank you for watching.